Hello and welcome everyone. For today's topic, I would like to discuss about comic relief. Most of the students who are pursuing their higher studies in graduation level or post-graduation level for English would know what comic relief is. Comic relief is basically a very important component that we use in case of tragedies when we are dealing with tragic drama. In Shakespearean novels, you would be able to novels or drama, I would say, you would be able to see this when we are already in a very tensed situation. At that point of time, if suddenly you get something which is very funny, which is very comical to see as an audience, then it would excite you. That is what the motto of comic relief is in case of tragic drama. Most of the times gestures used to be involved in these scenes, while suddenly after a tenseful situation, a sudden funny event would occur which would strike onto your minds and would take away the tragic or the serious situation that your mind had been continuously dwelling in for some time. For example, if you look at Macbeth's situation at that time, Lady Macbeth and the whole situation, I think all of you are aware of it. If you think of it, you will get to know while reading the kind of seriousness that we all were in, suddenly there was a shift by means of comic relief. So this is a very important component that all of us need to know about. If you have more descriptions or more ways of describing a comic relief, do let me know. Please send me comments and please subscribe to see if I have been able to explain it the way you want, or if you want more discussions on this, we can have detailed discussions on this and other topics as well. On my next vlog, I am planning to discuss about most important aspect, that is figures of speech. But if you have other relevant topics, you can share it to me. You can give me your opinions, which would be valued. Thank you for seeing this video. That's all for today. Awaiting for another good vlog very soon. Thank you.